Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic side light. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off and cool to the touch for safety. You'll need to determine the specific bulb type required for your Civic side light, as this can vary. Next, locate the access point for the side light assembly, which is often found within the wheel well liner or sometimes from under the hood. Prepare to gently remove any obstructing components to gain clear access. To begin, turn your steering wheel fully towards the side you are working on. This provides crucial space. You will likely need to remove a few plastic clips or small screws securing the wheel well liner. Use a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool for this. Once the fasteners are out, carefully pull back the liner to reveal the back of the headlight assembly, where the side light socket is located. It's usually a small, distinct wire harness. Now, firmly grasp the side light bulb socket and twist it approximately 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise. Once it's loose, gently pull the entire socket straight out from the light housing. The old bulb can then be carefully pulled straight out of the socket. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Push the new bulb firmly into the socket until it's secure. With the new bulb in place, reinsert the socket back into the light housing, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely. Before fully reassembling, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new side light is working correctly and illuminates brightly. If it does, you can then carefully push the wheel well liner back into its original position. Reinstall all the clips and screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is snug and secure for a complete repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.